So we start off today's video with this mid-length hair transformation. She has a gorgeous reddish hair color, and the stylist ends up cutting the hair into this banging asymmetrical pixie look. Oh, wow. Stunning. I think the color is what really does it for me with this cut. I mean, the cut is very sophisticated and polished, but the color just takes things up a notch even further. Gorgeous transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some flattering short hair transformations. So here we have this stylist turning the hair into a pixie. Oh, wow. So she dyed the hair blonde too. Oh, I was not expecting this. Wow. So she cut the hair and got some color. Very nice. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we have something called a 90s boy cut here. All of those retro hairstyles are coming back. So this is kind of like a messy chic look. I think it's cute. Definitely something different. I like how she's wearing the plaid skirt playing into the 90s trend. So next up we have this French girl style bob. This one is a great hairstyle to try out if you want to add some texture and body to your hair. Lots of movement with this cut. Very cute. Another retro kind of hairstyle. Reminds me of the 20s bob. So next up we have someone with hair around shoulder length. She's got a beautiful natural thick wavy texture to her strands. Whoa! Wow, so she switched it up with this beautiful blonde bob. Gorgeous. And then she has the red lip to make that blonde pop even more. Love it. So here we have another redhead. She's got like a reddish brown color here. It looks like she wants to go short with a pixie. Ooh, absolutely stunning asymmetrical pixie. I love this color. This is definitely one of my favorite colors for 2024. And the overall shape of this pixie gives the hair a lot of volume and movement. Very nice. So here we have another long to short transformation. Her hair looks like it's around mid-back length or so. Ooh, and she gets this gorgeous classic bob haircut. Very nice. Her hair looks so healthy. I love the sheen on her strands. Absolutely stunning. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these gorgeous hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.